It is Tuesday, so this is the second day of my weekly vlog of my lazy keto diet. And I'll explain more of why it's a lazy keto diet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to work, grab some coffee, and then I guess if I eat anything for lunch, I'll let you guys know. Okay, why is this happening? Let me go check my tires real quick. I don't know if I have something in my tires or not. I can't tell. Then I also want to get a grande iced coffee with no classic, and I want to get 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla.
Okay, would you like any cream or milk in that?
Can I just get light heavy whipping cream?
Okay, so that was 2 pumps of the sugar-free vanilla and then light heavy whipping cream in that?
Yeah, and since I'm getting that cream, no milk will be in it, right?
No.
Okay, correct. Alright, well then that should be good.
Alright, I have you down for a grande cup of water, extra ice, and a grande iced coffee. No classic, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and light heavy cream. That's going to be 303.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so when I ordered it with light heavy whipping cream, and I think I should have not said light. I should have got like just heavy all the way, because this is a bigger size than what normal people get. So I might go get it redone. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so I decided to go to lunch around, I think, 1:30, and I made an order online and got this from Chipotle. And as you can tell, they made it very sloppy, but it was made correctly. It's just not really that cute. So I just ordered veggies and chicken, lettuce, guac, and cheese and sour cream, and that's it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna rush home real quick, and when I get there, I guess I'll show you what I have planned for dinner, which might be the same thing I had last night, but I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I'm home now, and I went and got some lemons so I can make sure I have enough for my lemon water this week. And I'm honestly not doing anything special for dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna have the same thing that I had last night, minus the shells. This is for my daughter and my niece. They're gonna eat shells with theirs. But so I have ground turkey, and I also have tomatoes and sour cream and cheese and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do that and then call it a night because I'm kind of tired. So yeah. Just really quick, for anybody that might be wondering, this is a type of water that I drink, the alkaline water. And if you have a Whole Foods near you, then you can take like a jug, an empty container, and you can get this water and fill it up, I think for like $1. Either $1 or $3. I'm not sure. But it's much cheaper to get it from there if you have your jug already. I want to say it's $1 because this bottle is like $3 and something. It's almost $4 in the store. So I'm figuring if you take your own bottle to Whole Foods, they give it to you for $1. So it's like a major discount. So make sure you guys check that out and stay hydrated, okay? Because it is really hot outside, but you also need this kind of water as well. So you have a good night, and then I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow.